All right, let's keep going. We experimented again with some freshly roasted Yunnan coffee beans and made some adjustments to the pre-breaker burr, making it finer than before. We used about 10.4 grams of beans, started the grinder and gave it a good shake to make sure no fines were left. We got about 10 grams of coffee. Now, the moment of truth, will be any leftover chaff inside the grinder? Oh yeah. Check what we find here. We're not coffee experts. We're just coffee lovers who dare to try new things. Like we always say, keep grinding, baby.